Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious peach jam with fresh peaches. First, select about 2 pounds of ripe, firm peaches. Next, sterilize your canning jars and lids thoroughly to ensure food safety. Finally, gather your ingredients: 4 cups of sugar, 1 package of pectin, and 1/4 cup of fresh lemon juice. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's prepare those beautiful peaches. First, blanch them in boiling water for about 30 seconds, then immediately transfer them to an ice bath. This makes peeling incredibly easy. Next, carefully peel and pit each peach. Finally, chop your peaches into small, uniform pieces, roughly 1/4 inch, ensuring they cook evenly and create a lovely texture in your jam. With your peaches prepared, it's time to cook. In a large, heavy-bottomed pot, combine your chopped peaches, 4 cups of sugar, and 1/4 cup of lemon juice. Stir well to dissolve the sugar. Bring the mixture to a full, rolling boil that cannot be stirred down. Continue cooking, stirring constantly, until the jam reaches 220 degrees Fahrenheit on a candy thermometer, ensuring a perfect set. Once your jam is ready, carefully ladle the hot jam into your sterilized jars, leaving exactly 1/4 inch of headspace. Wipe the rims clean, apply the lids, and tighten the bands finger-tight. Process the jars in a boiling water bath for 10 minutes to seal them properly. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Let the jars cool completely, then store your delicious homemade peach jam. Enjoy your hard work.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.